Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Seed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Seed TV. Today I have an update. 2 months ago I did a video, Dyno, 24 F150 Whipple Stage 2 supercharger. We installed the R2 update from Whipple Calibration. A lot of you left comments in that video saying, hey, is that the R1 or R2? It was the R1. R2 has a lot of benefits. We made a Dyno poll. We're going to show it to you. If you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. And in the description, I'm going to have a link. You can watch the old video, a lot more about this truck, or of course stay to the end and you can just click on it and watch it. Doug, come down here, take a look. So it is the Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger, 24 F150, 93 octane. I love this truck. You want to learn a lot more about it, watch that old video, click that link, but right now check out this Dyno poll. All right, a couple things. Look, I've been sick the last week, so sorry my voice is all screwed up, but Whipple sends out an email to a lot of the dealers, or if you've ordered a calibration from them when they have an update. Let's say you have a truck like this and you wonder, do I have the newest update? You can get on their website at the top. There's like calibration requests. You could click on that, put in your VIN, and probably ask them, hey, do you have the newest update? If not, they'll email it to you. You can put it on the truck. But here's what was going on in the last video. A lot of you left comments. So before, this truck was 586 raw horsepower, 511 torque, and then if you look at this graph, this is what it kept doing. You couldn't feel this on the street, but that doesn't really look correct, all right? So we said, get this truck back in, let's try this new Cal, 639 raw horsepower, Dynojet SAE, 7,000 RPM, torque 517, 5,700, and we actually have a smooth graph all the way across the board. And that's what you'd be looking at a Whipple Cal. Whipple Cals are typically pretty awesome. On a new Mustang, on a truck, your graph should look smooth like that. So when we saw that little curve, we were like, wow, what's up? So again, you want to learn more about this truck. It's the Stage 2 Whipple, long tubes, that's it. Link in the description. You can click on. All these parts are available. We can ship to your door. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? But there you have it. The R2 tune definitely makes more power. It makes more torque, and your graph is exactly like it should look. Leave a comment if you have questions. Sorry, my voice is screwed. Just been getting hit by this winter sickness. Thanks for watching.